Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and simply type here sysdm.cpl and from the control panel item, so click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to go to advanced tab and from the performance section, click on settings. As you can see on my window, I have selected custom, and please just follow my screen and do all the steps, like uncheck these two, then check this two, and uncheck these all, again check these, and as you can see on my screen, set the setting on your system, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, open settings, then just click on these three lines and go to privacy and security, and from the apps permission you can just turn off the unwanted permissions. Like for example, I wanted to disable this location permission, then I will disable it. Then from the general tab, we need to disable all these four options. These are unwanted functions on our system. Once done, just restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Please go and check out once. And yeah, restart the system, problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.